Hi everyone. So this is day 3 of really trying to focus on what makes me happy and being present in my life. It's been sort of uncomfortable to do this, and I guess a lot of shame and fear comes up around it. But I've been started meditating. Well, I had been meditating for 6 months, for 30 minutes a day, but I started a new meditation, a guided one, which I'm finding really helpful because it's not just me trying to do it myself, and I find it easier to reach a state of self-acceptance. And I finally got to hang out with my best friend yesterday, which was so healing. It always is. I always feel so rejuvenated after hanging out with her. And we were both just going through such similar things. We always are so in sync. I'm just really grateful for her. And yeah, so I meditated this morning and I feel some inner peace and still a lot of heaviness, but at least more acceptance with it. So yeah, I think today I'm wanting to go to Barnes & Noble and explore, because I always used to love to do that, and I'm feeling called to do that. So yeah. Also, I'm reading this book with my friend, The Pivot Year, where there's daily meditations. And after my meditation, I read this, and I'm trying to do affirmations also. So it says, the courage with which you enter today will become the fate that you meet tomorrow. Will you continue to replay the memories of yesterday, or will you meet the moment and make the most of what is in front of you now? Not so that you might force your will upon your fate, but arrive fully into each moment as it's presented to you. Not to build a clean one-line story, but to create a mosaic of experience, ever forming, ever evolving, ever unfolding, as what's within unravels into reality, revealing at last the fragment of the universe that came to be known through you at this exact time, in this exact place, in this exact form. You are exactly where you need to be. This is the perfect day to start your life again. And then I wrote that you can always start over, and that you give everything just by receiving. And then I wrote, I am exactly where I need to be. This is the perfect day to start my life again. And I'm going to write, I give everything just by simply receiving. Whoa. Also, some things that I've been learning in my meditation that I went through is when you get your brains to a theta state, which is the same state that they were from ages 1 to 7, you're susceptible to rewiring your belief system that you picked up as a child. So today, it's been seeming every day a new one is coming to me that I need. And today it was that I am safe to feel, and I'm safe to receive. So I can already feel like a shift in my inner state and a faith that God will lead the way. So, yeah. So, I'm at the bookstore and I'm just really enjoying like looking at all the books. I have no idea what to look for. I kind of want, because I used to read like these high school kind of scary-ish books and they're really entertaining. Like, I don't know if anyone has read One of Us is Lying, but I don't know, I was so hooked on that book. And like, I want to find something like it. I think it's like nostalgia. It's nostalgic, and yeah. I find this book so interesting. It's like the meaning of all the animals and like how they can like how you can see them and like know what they symbolize, because like it's trying to tell you something like in your life. So I don't know. And like in your dreams especially. And I've had dreams, so many dreams with snakes. So I'm gonna try and find the, actually let me find the page that talks about snakes. Oh, wait. Okay, I found the snake, because these are always in my dreams. Transcendence, rebirth, and renewal. Snakes symbolize, oh, if the snake comes up for you, it might be time to shed layers that you've outgrown. Snakes symbolize transformation, healing, and renewal. If the snake comes up for you, oh, I just read that. When a snake is ready to molt, their old skin becomes dull and their eyes go cloudy as though they've entered a trance. They stop eating, move to a safe place, and after a few days of molting, their eyes clear. And they emerge from their old skin completely removed. This teaches us to let go of thoughts, patterns, or external influences that are dulling our mind, body, or spirit. In some cases, we might need to retreat as we endure a period of change. That makes sense. Snakes have been sacred to many cultures throughout the world as symbols of healing. And it talks about how the snake is represented in different like spiritualities and religions. The symbol of the cycle of life, death, and rebirth. It's also the year of the snake, actually. I don't know, this stuff, it's just like, I'm so interested in this stuff. Symbol of the cycle of life, death, and rebirth. Though many people are fearful of snakes. I think people are fearful of snakes, like, because they represent, like, bringing awareness to, like, what's dark or what needs to be released. So, like, people are afraid of the truth. Ooh. I found this book about, like, self-care, and I'm just, like, loving what it says. The most important relationship in your life is the relationship you have with yourself. It is not selfish to love yourself, take care of yourself, and to make your happiness a priority. It's necessary. I'm experiencing a lot of gratitude and love for myself. And just like a sadness for all the times that I maybe like abandoned myself. And I just really want to try to keep pouring into myself and keep making like that conscious decision. I just wish I could like see myself this way always. I imagine myself as like a little girl, and I want to give her a hug. And I got her flowers. I've always feel so happy when I think about having flowers. These kind of do smell like baby's breath. Anyways, I'll see you inside. I went to Trader Joe's and I'll be doing a haul. Okay. I got chicken. I really hope this doesn't end. I got chicken. I got a chicken Caesar wrap. I got my phone's at like 2%, so I'm like anxious about this. Chicken soup dumplings. I got 2 burritos. Ooh, this one matches my outfit, low-key. Mochi, strawberry mochi. I got some grapes. Yay! 3-layered hummus. Pickles. And sourdough bread. I'm really excited for this. This is focaccia bread, and it's so good. And, okay, I think my phone's gonna die. So I got garlic naan, crackers, apples, bananas, and oatmeal. Yay! Look at the sky. So it is about midday, and I have my lunch with me. It's the Caesar wrap. It's like chicken Caesar salad, but like in a burrito basically, and a pickle, and the Caesar dressing. So yay! I'm so happy to like be in the sun. It's so fun. I'm gonna meditate for like a minute and then eat my food. So yay. Yay. Honestly, I think I'm wanting to do some yoga. I feel really like sore still in my whole body. So yay. One thing I'm noticing, like doing these videos, is like I don't need to have everything figured out of like all the little things I'm gonna do. Like after meditating, like what I want, like desire to do just kind of comes to me. And I think that like the intention of just shifting my focus into like what makes me happy and being present is like the only thing I really need to do, and like all the little things that will end up doing that will just come naturally. So I guess this is what I'm saying, is this easier than I thought it was. Obviously I had like limiting beliefs about making a YouTube video or a vlog, but it's really not that hard. So yeah. So now I'm going to be doing some yoga, and yeah, I'm really excited. It's gonna be more of a like deep stretching, feminine flow yoga thing. So yeah, I just took a warm shower, so my muscles are like really relaxed already. So yeah. First, I just want to express, like, I feel so much gratitude and inner peace and excitement to do some yoga. So yeah.
Stretch here, inhale in, exhale, right hand towards the sky, big stretch, big breath, and then exhale. Just evaluate how you feel. Left side, left thumb pulls back, inhale, towards the sky, maybe you look up, claw through your right fingertips, inhale, and exhale, come back to center, nice and slow. Head over heart, heart over pelvis. Just take a second. I know it's hard to hear that sometimes with the sensation.
I just finished doing yoga and I feel so like stretched out and amazing. So I'm honestly a little sleepy. And I might take a nap. But I feel so like, I feel like that really released a lot for me. So yes, I highly recommend Yoga with Adriene. She really, on YouTube, she really just like explains it in a way that like you can really bring awareness to what you're doing, and like, yeah, she just like knows what she's talking about, like the details of the poses and everything. So yeah, all right, bye. All right, now I'm gonna go take a nap because I'm a sleepy fairy. Yay! Good night. Hey guys, I think I'm gonna rest and relax the rest of the day and maybe read a book. Yay. I really enjoyed myself today. I'm very happy with this vlog and with my experience.